Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. We are halfway through. This is number 6 of the 12 beers of Christmas. And my weird sense of humor took over when I was getting ready to start doing this today. You turn this light off so you don't have to look at that reflection. For some reason, I was thinking about the old movie European Vacation. You ever seen that movie? Well, if you haven't, congratulations, you're better off than a lot of us. But if you have, you might remember a line, "My family and I are looking for sex." If you don't get it, it's okay. All right, so today we have this 5.3% alcohol. I have no idea how to pronounce this. I don't even know that I'm going to try. Klosterbrau, maybe. Bramberg's original, it says Rauchbier. And that's about all I can get out of this. It looks like there is a monk on the label. Like it's like an abbey beer. So hopefully it is. We'll have to find out. All right. Some of these have been pretty good. Some of these have been not very good. And this says on the back, this says smoke beer. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, it's a little darker. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, now we're speaking my language. Look at that. Look at that. We're getting into the colors I like. The big, heavy beer. Wow. It is definitely smoky. Holy cow. That's like drinking barbecue. That's exactly what it's like. If you've ever eaten barbecue meat right off the smoker before it's had a chance to cool and it still has that bark on it, and there's that just stick to your mouth feel of dense, like smoked hickory. That's what this tastes like. That is bizarre. It's good. I like it. But I wouldn't want a lot of it because I'm going to have to drink whiskey to get this smoke out of my mouth. So this is definitely different. If somebody said, "Do you want the liter of that?" my answer would probably be no. A half liter is probably going to do it. All right, but we are halfway through, oddly enough. And hopefully the next one. Oh, I am going to finish this, though. Eat and drink fabulous. Cheers. Smoke